All right, I've got the front wheel off and fender, along with the front brake caliper. So it shouldn't hold under its own support from the brake line supported on something. Better idea. What's next here? Okay, this handlebar. Take those two bolts out, and this comes off like that. And there's the top of the fork leg. And the upper pinch bolt, I've loosened the lower pinch bolt. Let's find a way to support this properly. Should be just a matter of loosening this and pulling the fork leg out, pulling it down and out. And one of the possible issues is if there isn't enough clearance from the bottom of the fork leg to the floor, you got a problem. But I measured it, so I think I'm good. I got a couple inches margin there, so it should be no problem just to pull this down. And the top of the fork leg should clear the second part of the right-hand side triple clamp. No problem. And that should be it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.